So going back to the basics, the basic understanding comes from the nature of consciousness itself. Yeah. So in consciousness then, all things are known, all things are knowable. Within consciousness, all things are known. Everything can be defined. The reason this is so is because everything that exists or ever existed gives off an energy field. Everything that ever existed or is now existent gives off a specific energy, unique, and trackable through all of time. And this reason for this has to do with the nature of the infinite field of consciousness itself. The infinite field of consciousness then includes all that has ever been, is, or could be. Everything leads a trackable track within the infinite field of consciousness, which itself is timeless and non-local. Within the field of consciousness then, all time is now, and everywhere is here. Everywhere is right here. There is no beginning, no end. And the thing that people have difficulty with is that consciousness is non-linear. It does not traverse time. It doesn't go from here to there. It doesn't start there or end here. It's everywhere present now. Everybody got that? Everywhere is right here, and all time is right now.